Good evening, everybody. This is Whirlybird 1. This is the new V913 brush motor. It is an excellent little helicopter. It is all metal, as you can see. Everything is all metal. Even the boom at the back, the tail end, the brace. The skid plate on the bottom is metal. The rest is plastic. And it does have two problems which are very minor. Number one, the non-fly bar. As you can see, it's bent upright. I bent that myself. You take 1 inch from here to the bend and bend it upright on both ends. Otherwise, when they come down, they will strike the fuselage. As you can see, this is a down pitch now. It's a nice way. It's about 1 inch away from the fuselage. If not, it will strike here 1 inch down, and it'll smash the fuselage and damage the boom back here, which you can see there. Other than that, that part is bent upright. It has 1 inch clearance, which is no problem at all. It does not do any damage. Number two, here, you see that little black bar there sticking out with the gray tip right there? That breaks off the tip. I used it, and I put this fuselage on twice and taken it off, and it broke. That is one very sensitive area. Other than that, it's built like a tank. Now, as far as the radio goes, it's got a built-in lanyard system. It's 4 channels. This here is non-spring loaded. It slides up and down. All of them are in perfect. These here screw off for transport. It does have a beautiful little screen, as you can see. It's binding with a copter. There's left and right trims. This is a switch that you can do left or right throttle. There's a red light there. It does also have, I believe it has a buzzard. I'm not sure. I just took it out of the box. But I give it an 8 out of 10. Because the simple reason is for these two particular problems here. Other than that, it is a 3D helicopter. It is a very nice unit. It's one of the larger ones. They say they have problems also with a tail rudder motor, but I haven't had that problem yet because I haven't tried it, obviously. But other than that, it's a nice helicopter. It's got a spotlight in the front, underneath, which is right there. You can see the spotlight. Extremely bright. There's a sky leader, and it's also called the sky dancer or the airflow. It's a very, very strong helicopter. I really like it. This is one of the first ones that I had. As you can see, everything is metal in there. This is all plastic here in the buckles. The metal plate right here, 2 of them, top and bottom. That's these here, 2 here, and the bottom is metal. This also is metal. It's got a metal shaft. You couldn't ask for anything better. It's a real good unit. I really like it. Anyhow, that's It was one of the nicest little copters I've had. I had another one, actually, and it wasn't as good. This is a 4-channel radio, hobby grade, takes 4 penlight batteries, AA. The skid plates are metal, skid bars. The frame is plastic there. It has 2 brushed motors. You can get this in a brushless too. I did the brush motor to see what it's like. Very strong. I enjoy it. Well, you have a good day and a very good flights. This is Copter 1. Take care. And Whirlybird 1, I should say. Signing off.